Tutorial Drawing Acheron from Genshin Impact.
Draw on sketch paper, secure with paper tape. Then use a mechanical pencil to start the draft with a cross. Draw the structural lines at the shoulders. Find the position of the finger on the face. Draw hair structure lines. Draw a circle around the head downwards. Draw the main line first. Draw another small line. Hair comes to an end. Then draw the armor on the shoulders. Outline a triangle and small details. Twist the thread and draw the edge armor line next to it. For such a structure, you must first draw a rough shape. Here, we draw a shape like fish scales. If there are more details, draw the larger structure first. Divide small structures quickly. Finally, draw the small details inside. The intensity should be reduced. Do not draw the middle arc of the picture first. A little bit from the nose position. Draw the details of the eye contour and face contours. If you can't draw it all at once, just add it up bit by bit. Draw the inner details of the eyeball. How can we have less double eyelids and eyebrows? Deepen and confirm the hair home line position. Left cheek for it, hair darkening. After completion, please add external lines first. Add internal structure. Shadow lines. Don't forget the texture details on the clothes. Flame texture lines on arms. Hair highlights. Nose mouth. Final touches. Huang Chengxi completed. Fix the painting at night. Take out the plasticine and wipe the draft line of Huangquan. Observe the direction and characteristics of Huangquan's hair. Understand the misalignment of hair. Use an outline pen to outline the main lines of your hair. Adjust wrist angle. Draw lines in sequence according to the direction you want. Friends who are not very skilled yet, you can practice the lines alone. Then you can slowly lengthen the line. Practice drawing the hairline that the prince wants. Pull down a side line. Pointed hem. Draw hair with check marks. Finish drawing downwards. Start drawing a line for the upper shoulder armor. Really handsome. Encountered such a pattern. First draw this outer line. Need to add vinegar. Waiting for the hairpin to be small hooked. Thin lines inside. Combine along the edge thickness lines. Suddenly approaching the structural line below. Hook, 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 hook. For this kind of line, you can use the thickest outline pen. Continue to outline local and small details. And feathery lines. Use a new pen to draw highlights. Structural lines for slender eyebrows with 2 lines. There are many lines on the upper eyelid. Restore eyeballs and lower eyelids. Draw the details of the eyes. Finally, outline the nose and mouth to finish. This is my second workbench for painting. A bit shabby. This time I will finish painting Huangquan. Medium carbon pen lines upward. Painting hair tone deepening. Add dynamics and deepen. Hair straightening. Use your wrist to route the cable downwards. The length and strength of the small area cables are even. The hair gradually deepens along the direction and intensity of the layers. Differentiate. There are also positions to reduce intensity. Hair. The most important thing is to follow the direction of the hair. Straight lines and arcs are arranged along them. Adjust the strength by yourself. The elastic wide surface must be even. Delivery completed. Now start using short straight rows. No matter the location, width, or size, all arranged with straight lines in different directions. Deep and light intensity routing reflect the sense of layering and three-dimensionality. These big and small pieces look so many. In fact, there are quite a few. Always in line. The bigger the block, the more attention you need to pay attention to. Independent board wiring. All small sections have been laid out. Line hair highlights. Eyebrow lifting net. Draw the inside of the eyeballs with soft charcoal and add black. Draw again with hard charcoal pen. Arrange the cables. Shadow between head and hair. Control your own strength. Well, the overall shooting and painting of the Imperial City is completed. Thank you for watching.